Assalamu alaikum dear students, I hope you all will be fine. In today's topic I am going to teach you the one of the science special topic which is related to quantity surveying, and our topic is how to calculate quantity of bricks for a room. So dear students, let's suppose we have a room. The length of the room is 12 feet and total width of the room is also 12 feet. And dear students, the total height of this room is 11 feet and the wall thickness is 9 inches. And dear students, in given data, it is also mentioned that the total height of the door is 7 feet and the total width of the door is 3.5 feet. And dear students, it is also mentioned that the total height of this window is 4 feet and the total length of the window is 6 feet. Now dear students, if you want to calculate total quantity of brick in this room, first of all we calculate total volume of this one wall. So dear students, if we multiply total length of this wall with the total height of this wall, and then we multiply total thickness of this wall which is 9 inches, so we divide this 9 inches by 12 to convert into feet, because the other two units is also in feet. So we can get the total volume of this one wall in term of 99 cubic feet. So now dear students, if you want to calculate total quantity for this remaining wall, so dear students, if the total quantity of one wall is this one, so if we multiply 4, because the total number of wall is 4, with the 99 cubic feet, so we can get the total quantity of this 4 wall. And now dear students, just you can see over here, from this total volume we subtract total volume of a door and also total volume of a window. So dear students, first of all we calculate total volume for the window. So dear students, if we multiply 4 times 6 and then we multiply this total surface area of this window with the total thickness of this wall which is 9 inches, so we can get the total volume of this window. And also if we multiply 7 times 3.7, so we can get the total surface area for this door. And if we multiply this surface area with the wall thickness which is 9 inches, so we can get the total volume of this door. Now dear students, if we add these two volume, so we can get the total subtract volume of 36.375 cubic feet. And now dear students, if you want to calculate total net volume of this 4 wall, so dear students, if we take total volume of this 4 wall which is 396 cubic feet and we subtract this volume, so we can get the total net volume of this brickwork. So now dear students, if the total net volume of the brickwork is 359.625 cubic feet, and if we use the standard brick which is 9 inches length and 3 inches height and total width of 4 inches, so dear students, if we use this type of standard brick in our construction, then remember, if we have a volume of 1 cubic feet, it contains 13.5 bricks. So now dear students, if you want to calculate total number of bricks in this volume, so we multiply this volume by 13.5, so we can get the total number of brick in this volume. So dear students, this is our today topic. I hope you will be learning something new from this lecture. If you have any question related to this topic, please comment on my channel. I will try to reply your answer. So see you in next video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.